I think we have seen legislation coming in place, at least in the European Union. There are some very good legislations in place now, which is pushing companies, pushing retailers to start developing circular products, more regenerative products. There is a consumer demand, a rising consumer demand that wants this. They want convenience, they want low cost, they want to access the products and the services when they need it. And that's just increasing. I think also the climate areas is playing a role here, because circularity and circular business model really have a big impact on climate change and will help companies to address their climate agenda. And I mean, that's just increasing in urgency, the climate part. So I think now we're sort of in the middle of a perfect storm to just start doing this. And my advice would be to let go of the brake and pull the gas pedal down and just go. Consciously and cautiously. Testing, finding out what is working for your company and why. But if we're not starting now, then it will be too late, because you will be bypassed by other companies. So it's a matter of survival, I would say, for me. And also a question of relevance, how companies can stay relevant to the customer needs.